everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and today we're going to make the Queen's favorite drop scones from the recipe that was recently released, and they're surprisingly easy to make. They are not traditional scones but are instead cooked on a griddle and resemble pancakes. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any delicious recipes, and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of castor sugar or superfine sugar. I put some sugar in the food processor for about 30 seconds and that did the trick. 1½ cups of milk, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 3 teaspoons of cream of tartar, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. In a large bowl, whisk the eggs, then add the sugar and 3/4 cup of milk. Mix the flour with the egg mixture and then add the other 3/4 cup of milk. Mix in the baking soda and the cream of tartar, then fold in the butter. Heat a griddle to about 325 degrees and grease with butter. Use a cookie scoop or measuring spoons to measure 3 to 4 tablespoons of batter and drop onto the griddle. Allow the scones to cook for about 3 minutes, then flip over and cook for an additional 3 minutes until the scones are golden brown. Remove the scones from the heat and serve with jam and clotted cream or whipped honey butter. I hope you love making these scones as much as I do. The full recipe will be in the description below, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.